Okay, you might not believe your ears and you would say, "I believe when I see it." But Tesla's next project could completely crash the global real estate market and kick off a revolution we've never seen. Think of the Tesla tiny house. Ultra-sustainable, ridiculously affordable, and here's the kicker. It's mass-produced like a tech product instead of a traditional home. Starting at just $7,999, it's slated to debut in 2026.
Probably, well, I tend to be a little optimistic with timeframes. But in 2026. So, yeah. Before 2027, let me put it that way.
Is shifting gears from getting people into electric cars to helping them live sustainably. That's no accident. For years, buying a house has been a crushing weight for millions, especially young folks and middle-income families, thanks to insane real estate prices and rental costs spinning out of control. Musk is doubling down, emphasizing that since Tesla made EVs mainstream worldwide, they're perfectly capable of building homes like cars delivered in a box and put together in just a few hours. Instead of the months-long headache of hiring contractors, electricians, and plumbers, battling endless delays, budget busts, and land red tape, Tesla is literally turning the house into a packaged product. It'll be manufactured right on the Fremont factory line with automated robots, then shipped to your door just like a new car. That's the promise of the Tesla tiny house. So, the million-dollar question is, what exactly is packed into that 280-foot home? And seriously, how do you even order one? Let's find out. What truly makes the Tesla tiny house stand out from other small home models is how it's built. Not as traditional housing, but as a precision-engineered industrial product. Every part of it is manufactured at Tesla's Fremont Gigafactory, where production has been perfected through advanced robotics and automated systems working with near-zero error. Inside the factory, everything load-bearing walls, kitchen units, living areas, and bathrooms is pre-assembled. Even the wiring, plumbing, and ventilation are integrated using plug-and-play tech, meaning that by the time the home arrives at its destination, it's practically move-in ready with only a few final hookups required. Instead of fragile drywall or short-lived materials, the Tesla tiny house is built with reinforced steel frames, ultra-tough concrete panels, EPS insulation foam, and multi-layer composite sheets. These parts are fused under extreme pressure up to 259,000 pounds, creating rigid modules about 8.5 m long and 4 m wide. The result is a structure that's both incredibly strong and light enough to move anywhere. When it leaves the factory, the house folds neatly into a compact rectangular block that fits standard trucks and shipping containers. Each module weighs around 5,250 pounds, making delivery to even remote locations entirely feasible. And yes, Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla is teaming up with Boxable for this venture. Boxable's expertise makes them a trusted partner, and Musk actually lived in one of their tiny homes in Texas for 3 months to experience it firsthand before greenlighting the Tesla collaboration. Once delivered, setting up the Tesla tiny house is surprisingly fast, just a few hours from start to finish. The prefabricated modules are unfolded and secured onto a foundation, which can be steel screw piles, precast concrete pads, or adjustable support frames. From there, all electrical and plumbing systems are linked using waterproof quick connectors, followed by a brief round of testing. In as little as 1 to 3 hours, the home is fully functional and ready to live in. A dramatic contrast to conventional builds that can take weeks or even months. When it comes to durability, the Tesla tiny house is built to handle just about anything nature throws at it. Its reinforced steel frame, multi-layer waterproof panels, and smart drainage system work together to resist storms, heavy rain, flooding, and even deep snow. The roof is engineered to bear heavy snow loads, while corrosion and mold-resistant coatings help protect the structure for years to come. Tesla doesn't claim it's invincible, but compared to most tiny homes, this one offers a much higher level of reliability and peace of mind thanks to its precision-engineered materials and robust design. What's even more impressive is the interior. Though it measures just around 280 square feet, the Tesla tiny house is designed to feel open, bright, and surprisingly comfortable. With ceilings soaring up to about 9.3 feet and windows and doors reaching nearly 7.5 foot tall, natural light floods the space, making it feel much larger than it is. Inside, the layout includes 4 distinct zones: a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The living room sits right by the entrance and offers enough room for 2 to 3 guests. It features a sofa that converts into a pull-out bed, a coffee table, and a wall-mounted TV. This space can also double as a home office with composite wood flooring that stays cozy in winter and cool in summer. The kitchen, though compact, comes fully loaded with an induction cooktop, sink, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, and multi-level cabinetry. A fold-down dining table cleverly integrates into the countertop for added efficiency. Tesla even built in a ventilation and air purification system to keep the air fresh and free of cooking odors. As for the bedroom, it features a wall-mounted Murphy bed that folds up neatly to open the room during the day, then transforms into a comfortable double bed at night, offering both space and convenience in perfect balance. The bathroom may be compact, but it's thoughtfully designed and fully equipped. It includes a tempered frosted glass door, a sleek shower, a minimalist sink, a mirror, and a water-saving toilet. A smart ventilation and climate control system keeps the temperature comfortable year-round. Every inch of space is optimized through clever design. Hidden storage compartments, floating shelves, and built-in drawers ensure nothing goes unused. But what truly sets the Tesla tiny house apart is its modular Lego-like concept. Each unit can be connected side by side or stacked vertically to create a larger living space. Starting with a 280 square foot base module that comfortably fits 2 or 3 people. Homeowners can expand into a 2 or even 3-story home big enough for a family of 5. This flexible approach means owners can start small and add modules over time as their needs change without the financial weight of building a large house from day one. And when it comes to energy, Tesla gives buyers the option to upgrade. For just a few $1,000s, the home can be outfitted with a solar roof and a Powerwall battery system seamlessly managed through the Tesla app for complete control and independence from the grid. The base model already includes essential electrical and water systems, but upgrading transforms the Tesla tiny house into a fully energy-independent home. It can generate and store enough power to run air conditioning, an induction cooktop, a washing machine, and even charge an electric vehicle. The system is paired with a freshwater tank, a rainwater collection and filtration setup, graywater recycling for toilets, and a sealed waste treatment tank. Together, these features create a completely self-sustaining ecosystem, ideal for anyone who dreams of living off-grid without sacrificing modern comfort. What truly surprises most people, though, isn't just the Tesla tiny house's remarkable $7,999 starting price. It's the fact that buyers don't have to spend a single extra dollar on land taxes or construction fees. For traditional homeowners, expenses like land costs, building permits, and endless paperwork are often the biggest financial headaches. In many cities, the land alone can cost more than the house itself. Tesla flips that idea on its head, making home ownership as straightforward and accessible as buying a Tesla EV. All it takes is a simple order, and customers receive a fully finished move-in-ready home with zero hidden costs. Elon Musk has even shared that for those without land, Tesla will provide it free for the first 2 years in designated areas. From production to delivery and installation, Tesla handles the entire process. So when your home arrives, you're not getting an empty shell. You're stepping into a complete living space equipped with solar power, a smart control system managed through the Tesla app, and everything ready for immediate move-in. This approach tackles one of the biggest pain points in real estate today: skyrocketing land prices. By removing that financial barrier, Tesla makes home ownership achievable for millions. Picture this. You place an order online. A few hours later, a Tesla Semi pulls up with your new home. And within 1 to 3 hours, it's unfolded, hooked up to power and water, inspected, and ready for you to walk inside. No debt, no endless paperwork, no financial strain, just a revolutionary new way to own a home. It may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but Musk has already confirmed it. The Tesla tiny house can be delivered within just 1 to 2 weeks of ordering. Thanks to its foldable modular design, the entire home fits neatly on the bed of a Tesla Semi or inside a standard shipping container, making global delivery fast and cost-efficient. Tesla has turned the once impossible dream of owning an affordable, sustainable, and easily accessible home into a tangible reality, something no other company has dared to do. And of course, this all ties back to Elon Musk himself, the man known for bold, unconventional choices that often defy logic but reshape industries. Before moving into a tiny home, Musk owned multiple multi-million-dollar mansions. But in May 2020, he sold nearly all of his personal real estate, choosing instead to live in a modest, tiny house near his workplace. That decision feels even more powerful today as millions struggle with soaring rent costs. In the US, average monthly rent for an apartment ranges from $1,800 to $2,500 and far more in cities like New York, San Francisco, or Los Angeles. Against that backdrop, seeing one of the richest people on Earth choosing to live in a $40,000 home sends a striking message about simplicity, sustainability, and redefining what luxury really means. You might think building a tiny home like this would trigger a wave of copycats trying to compete with Boxable. But when asked if they're worried about imitation, the company seems completely unfazed. They point out that very few truly understand the complex tech and engineering that go into their product, a major advantage that helps them stay far ahead of the curve. So now it's easy to see why Elon Musk chose the $40,000 casita. As mentioned earlier, he mainly needed a simple, comfortable place to crash near work, a functional living space without any unnecessary extravagance. But there's likely a deeper reason behind his choice, too. Musk probably wanted to support a company that shares his vision. While Tesla is reinventing sustainable zero-emission transportation, Boxable is revolutionizing how we build homes, making them faster, greener, and more affordable than ever before. Given Musk's lifelong commitment to fighting pollution and reducing emissions, it's no surprise he picked a casita from Boxable.